How to add employee discount to the Target app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can add an employee discount to the Target app, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add an employee discount to the Target app, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then launch the Target application here. Once you launch the Target app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just want to make sure to tap the My Target button from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the My Target option from the bottom right, you want to just make sure to tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the gear icon from the very top of your account, you'll find an option called Profile. You want to just make sure to tap on Profile. And when you go to Profile, if you look over here, you have this little button that says Team Member Discount. And in order to add an employee discount, all you have to do is just tap on the Add button right next to the Team Member Discount option here. And then all you need to do is simply make sure to enter the code that you have, your employee discount code or whatever else type of code that you have. Make sure to enter the code, tap the Save option, and your employee discount will be successfully added on the Target app. This way you can add your employee discount on Target app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.